Why do people like expensive watches?
Just like any other accessories, the more luxurious a timepiece looks, the higher social status the owner may hold. Watches are widely used by either gender and ones of the visual indicators presenting how professional, smart and attractive a person is. Therefore, if one wants to be acknowledged and taken seriously, he prefers a high-end watch rather than a collection of low-end ones.
Do you like to wear watches?
Well, I am more a cosmetics girl than clothing and accessories, hence, there are not many watches and jewelries in my possession. However, I have nothing against wearing a beautiful piece of art on my wrist and do own a few exclusive timepieces which suit perfectly with my clothing on some special occasions, giving me a sense of identity and uniqueness.
Have you ever received a watch as a gift?
Let me see. More than half of the watches in my little jewelry box are presents from my family and friends. And by that I mean 3 pieces since I only own 4 in total. They all know I am not extremely fond of collecting these types of accessories but makeup kits and the likes. Therefore, it would soothe their souls to see me in watches because according to them, time is so precious that I need to be reminded every second.
Now let's look at the vocabularies and their meanings in the speaking between the examiner and candidate on a topic watches or time. Timepiece is a noun. A clock or watch. Social status is a noun. A person's standing or importance in relation to other people within a society. Indicator is a noun. A sign that shows you what something is like or how a situation is changing. Acknowledge is a noun. To accept that somebody or something has a particular authority or status. High-end is an adjective. Expensive and of high quality. Low-end is an adjective. At the cheaper end of a range of similar products. In someone's possession. If something is in someone's possession, they have it. Have nothing against. To dislike or not approve of someone or something for a particular reason. On special occasions. From time to time, now and then. Be fond of is the same as be interested in. Is the same as be keen on. Soothe someone's soul. To bring comfort, composure, or relief. You can also use the dictionary to confirm all the vocabularies.